Where are we?
Happy?
We're on the choo-choo train.
I want
What?
choo.
Daddy's sitting down on the choo-choo.
Papa, did you?
This is the choo-choo that goes by Papa's house. Are we moving? We're starting to move. Look out the window. We are on the choo-choo train, Rocky. Happy birthday to you, Rocky.
Happy birthday to you, Rocky.
Did you? Did you? Did you?
Look outside the window, Rocky.
You can go on
No,
this.
Baba.
You
I
can go on
see.
You can stand up and look. You want to look out the window? You can kneel down. Go ahead. You're little. You can do it.
Did you?
You're on Rocky's choo-choo.
Are you moving?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, be on Amtrak.
five?
Did you? Hey, Papa, did you?
Yeah, this will go right by Papa's house.
Hey, Papa.
That's what you're hoping for.
What did I pay?
There's some airplanes up in the sky.
What did I pay?
Yeah.
A big?
Say happy birthday to you, Rocky.
How about you, buddy? What is?